The M5 looks pretty tame from factory. We're going to change that with the sound and cosmetic upgrade pack. So Sam's got busy and he's already disassembling the car. He's a keen little chap. But in the meantime, let me show you the parts that are going on. Follow over to the bench for a bit of insight. So what we've got here in the first instance that you'll be able to see is the carbon fibre. So we've got a front splitter. We've also got a rear diffuser, which is the M Performance style, and the same for the side skirts as well. So this front splitter is for the facelift LCi models, which this is here. And we've also got a few other goodies that are going on this car as well. So you have to check a couple of the other videos that we're going to do, one of which will be for the sound kit. This is actually made by Daler, and effectively that gives you more control over the valves when you want to open, when you want to close, and in theory open those valves fully to give you a bit more noise. Along with that, we're going to stick on an MST intake kit. So this is obviously a twin element, which is going to give it a bit more noise as well from the front end. Any engine bay work has to be complemented with a Downstar upgrade kit. So we've got that going on as well, which is going to look cool. And the final piece of the puzzle is some wheel spaces tucked away in the corner there to give it a bit more stance. So enough about me talking about the parts themselves. Let's get it on the car, let's see what it's all about, and I'll give you guys an overview at the end. And that wraps things up with this M5 competition, and well, you can straight away see from the front end this thing looks ridiculous. It's just so bold and aggressive. I love it, looks amazing. So you've seen obviously on the video, starting off the back, we've done the diffuser, the Daler valve kit, side skirts and front splitter. But what I like to have a little bit of a peek at, that's not to everyone's initial thoughts, is the engine bay. Yes, okay, the guy servicing the car will probably get the most amount of enjoyment, but it's nice to pop the bonnet and see what's underneath. So we've got the Downstar fitting kit here, which is just a nice little touch, complement, and obviously the MST induction kit as well with these open cones. A lot of people have stick about open cones, thinking that it's going to suck in a load of hot air. Well, this is what this shield is for. It seals on the bonnet, keeps it enclosed, but it also maximizes noise. So as a whole, really happy with this one. It looks amazing. Black on black is always a winner. Hope you guys at home have enjoyed that video. Hopefully this customer's going to come back soon as well for a few extra little bits and pieces that I'm going to try and see if he wants. But for the time being, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you can. See you soon.